Now students, in fraction workbook problems, we are going to do workbook problems. So again we recapitulate what we did in our textbook. So all the textbook sums we are going to recapitulate through our workbook sums. In performance time A, see here types of fractions we are going to discuss. Types of fractions, about all types of fractions. These questions based on types of fractions. Okay. In the first bit, what he has given? Color the types of fraction and its corresponding examples. Corresponding examples here. Examples with the same color. Corresponding example. What he is asking? So first we have to read that and we have to search where it is. So that we have to color with same. Okay. See here. Unit fraction. What is a unit fraction means? Unit fraction means if a numerator of a fraction is 1, then that is a unit fraction. Here numerator is 1 here and numerator is 1 here. These two fractions are unit fractions. We have to color with the same, means color with orange. Any one same color you have to use. Same color we have to use here. Here I am using orange color. Okay. So we have to use orange color. Here also orange color. These two are unit fractions. Then after that mixed fractions. So what are the mixed fraction? Whole number, so with a proper fraction. Whole number with a proper fraction. These two are mixed fraction. Now, so we have to color with orange again with the same color. So we have to use orange color here and here also apply orange color. These two are mixed fractions. Okay. First we have to identify so where mixed fractions are given. So in that box we have to color. So we have to color and we have to use same color. Okay. Here also we have to identify unit fraction and so color with the same. Okay. Now convert each of the following fractions into improper fractions. Here mixed fractions are given. So we have to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. How to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions? See here. So denominator we have to multiply with this whole number 9 with 4 and after that we have to add this numerator by denominator we have to write. 9 4s are 36 plus 5 by 9. 36 plus 5 41 by 9. This is improper fraction. Converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. Mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now the same. So we have to multiply this denominator with this whole number. So 3 with 33 and after that we have to add the numerator divided by the denominator. 33 3s are 99 plus 1 by 3. 99 plus 1 100. 100 by 3. So this mixed fraction we have to convert into improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay. So in this bit one more question is there. That question do as your home assignment. Okay. Here find the three equivalent fractions for each of the following. So here three fractions are given. For these three fractions we have to write three equivalent fractions. Then how to write three equivalent fractions? 7 by 9 first. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14 by, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. Till 7 4s are we have to write. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. These three are equivalent fractions. In the same we have to write 11 2s are 22 by, 11 3s are 33 by, 11 4s are 44 by. Then 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. 3s are 4s are 5s are we have to multiply numerator and denominator. Then you will get equivalent fractions. Here 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. Next 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39, 13 4s are 52. 13 4s are 52. So in this way we have to write three equivalent fractions of a given fraction. Okay. Now The fourth, convert the improper fractions into mixed fraction. So, here improper fractions are given. So, we have to convert into mixed fraction. So, we have to make rough column first, and after that, so this denominator divides this numerator. 5 divides numerator 36. Then in 5 table, when you will get 36, 5 sevens are 35. Then 6 minus 5 is 1. So, then how to convert? So, we have to take the quotient first, then remainder by divisor, remainder by divisor. So, this is the conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Here 128 by 7, 128 divided by 7, 7 ones are 7, then 5, 58, 7 eights are 56, 2 left. Then what is the quotient there? 18, and remainder 2 by divisor 7, 18 2 by 7, it is in mixed fraction. Okay. Yes, next in performance time A, fifth bit, arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order we have to arrange. How to arrange the given fractions in increasing order? First we have to see whether the given fractions are like fractions or not. Yes, all the fractions are like fractions, denominators are same. So it is very easy to arrange the given fractions in ascending order. When the fractions are like fractions, then it is very easy to arrange in ascending order. So, we have to check the numerators. In the numerator, which one is the least? First we have to take that. That is the least one. This means that is the least value. So, the smallest value is in 3, 8, 2, 9. 2 is the least smallest value. That means 2 by 11 is the smallest one. And bigger than this 2 is 3, 3 by 11. Bigger than 3 is 8, 8 by 11. Bigger than 8, the biggest one is 9 by 11. So, these are in ascending order, increasing order. So, we have to arrange the given fractions in ascending order when like fractions are given. So, here also all are in like fractions. Here also it is very easy to arrange the given fractions in ascending order. So, in this numerator we have to check 7, 3, 5, 1. 1 is the least, means 1 by 8 is the smallest fraction, and bigger than this 1 in numerator is 3. 3 by 8 is bigger than this 1 by 8, and bigger than this 3 is 5 by 8, and after that the last one, the biggest one is 7 by 8, 7 by 8. So, these are in ascending order. All these fractions are in ascending order when equal fraction means like fractions are given. Okay. Now, in the second bit, arrange the following fractions in descending order. Here we have to arrange the given fractions in descending order, means decreasing order. Decreasing means first we have to take a bigger one. So, before that we have to check which type of fractions are given. Either like fractions are given or unlike fractions are given. First we have to check out. Here see the denominators, different denominators we have. Here also different denominators. In these two fractions we have different denominators. So, it is unlike fraction. These are the unlike fractions. But here unlike fractions are given, but one thing is common in these two fractions. Here numerators are same. Here numerators are same. So, fractions are unlike fractions, no doubt, but numerators are same. When numerators are same, then also here it is very easy to decide which one is a bigger and which one is smaller. Here first we have to take a biggest, means biggest fraction value. Why? Descending order is given. Descending means decreasing order we have to arrange. So, we have to take bigger, smaller than that, then smallest one, like this we have to arrange. So, in these all fractions first we have to arrange, we have to take bigger one. How to decide which one is a bigger in this? So in the denominator, in these denominators, so which one is a smaller denominator? So, that one is having a bigger value. When equal denominators are given. When equal denominators are given, then the denominator in which the denominator is having a least, that is having a greater value, See here, 25, 19, 21 and 13. 13 is the least one. So, it means 6 by 13 is a greater number. So, then smaller than this is means greater value. Greater than this 13 we have to take 19. 6 by 19. Then greater than this 19 value we have to take in this 21. 6 by 21. Then the greater than this is 25. 6 by 25. So, greater denominator have a least value means smallest value. This is the smallest, then this is the greatest. Greatest, smaller, smaller and smallest. In this way we have to arrange the given fraction in descending order, decreasing order. Here also the same thing for descending order. So, we have to take a bigger denominator. So, which one is having a bigger denominator? 7 by 10, that is a greater value. So, after that smaller than this 10 is 7 by 5. Then smaller than 5 is 7 by 3 and the smallest one is 7 by 2. So, like this we have to arrange the given fractions in descending order, decreasing order. Okay. When like fractions are given, then it is very easy to arrange ascending order as well as descending order also. When numerator is also equal, then here also it is very easy to decide which one is the smaller and which one is the bigger. The denominator in that which one is having a least, that is a bigger value. In that way we have to decide which one is smaller and which one is greater, and we have to arrange. Okay. Now, reduce each of the following fractions in the lowest term. Lowest term. So, here we have to decide which, means we have to write, we have to convert. So, these given fractions in the lowest terms. So, then here also it is very easy. So, here we have two methods, factorization method, prime factors method. Any one method you can apply. Here I am going to apply prime factorization method. 60 prime factors you have to find. Divisible by 2, 2 30s are, divisible 2 15s are, divisible 3, 3 5s are 15. In the same way 80 prime factors, 2 40s are, again 2 20s are, again 2 10s are, again 2 5s are. Now 60 means 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 80 means 4 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into and 1 5. 2 to the 4, what is that? 12, 12 by 60. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 5s are 80, 16 5s are 80. 1 2, 1 2 and 1 5. Get cancel. Get cancel. Then what is left in the numerator? 3. By 2 to the 4, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the answer. 3 by 4 is the answer in lowest terms. Then here 72 and 108 also. So, we have to convert, we have to write this in lowest term. First you have to take prime factors of 72. 2 36 are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, and 108. For 108 also we have to write 108. 2 54s are, 2 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. Okay. How many 2's? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 108. How many 2's? 2 2's and 3 3's. 1 2 get cancelled, 1 2 get cancelled, 1 3 get cancelled, 1 3 get cancelled. How many 2's left? 2. How many 3's left? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 divided by 3. This is a simplified form. 70 to simplified form, 2 by 3. Okay. Means these two maximum divisible by 36. 36 1s are, 36 2s are 72, 36 3s are 108, 36 3s are 108, like that. Then here also, here it is very easy. When the last digit in one's digit is 0, just cancel one's digit, because it cancel in tens place, 10 10s are, 10 15s are. So, that is why indirect you have to cancel this last 2 zeros, when zeros only. If zeros are there in the last in one's place, then only we have to cancel. If 5s are the last, then do not cancel 5s. Okay. Then after that 10. 10 means 5 2s are 10, 15 means 5 3s are 15, 5 5 cancel, 2 by 3. This is the simplified form. This is our simplified form. Okay. Now, compare each of the following fractions, this fraction by cross multiplication method, and we have to say which one is a greater and which one is smaller, we have to say. Okay. Cross multiplication method. So, we have to write 14 tens are 140, 15 fours are 60. 14 tens are, we have to apply cross multiplication method. 14 tens are 140, 15 fours are 60, 15 fours are 60. 140 is greater, 140 is greater. It means 14 by 15 is greater than 4 by 10. 4 by 10. This is bigger. Which one is bigger? 14 by 15 is bigger. Okay. Now, here also we have to apply cross multiplication method. Before apply cross multiplication method, so we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper first. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 3, 5 8 by 3. Now, cross multiplication. 5 3s are 15, 3 8s are 24. 24 is bigger, means 15 is smaller than 24. 15 is smaller than, means 1 2 by 3 is smaller than 1 3 by 5. In this way, we have to decide which one is smaller and which one is bigger. When mixed fraction is given, first we have to convert mixed fraction into improper, then after that we have to cross multiply. Cross multiply means first fraction numerator with second fraction denominator, and the same second fraction denominator with first fraction numerator we have to multiply and see. So, either LHS is bigger or RHS is bigger. According to that, you have to apply greater than, less than. If equal to values are there, then apply equal sign. Okay. So, more 2 questions were there in this bit. The 2 questions you do as a home assignment. Okay. Next, see here in performance time a 9th question, add the following. How to add like fractions? Just we have to find the sum of numerators by common denominator we have to write. Sum of numerators, that is 7 plus 2 by common denominator, that is 19. 7 plus 2 is how much? 9. 9 by 19. So, when like fractions are given, just find sum of numerators divided by common denominator you have to write. So, in the same way, sum of numerators we have to write sum of numerators 1 plus 2 plus 1 by common denominator we have to take one time. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 4. If numerator and denominator is same, the value is 1, the value is 1. Now, here like fractions, when like fractions, add numerators, sum of numerators 11 plus 5 by 13, 11 plus 5 by 13, then 11 plus 5 16, 16 by 13, 16 by 13. It is an improper fraction, then change into mixed, 1 3 by 13. This improper mixed fraction we have to convert into mixed fraction. Now, all these are like fractions. Like fractions means sum of numerators 1 plus 3 plus 7 by common denominator, that is 8. 1 plus 3 plus 7 is 11 by 8. 11 by 8 is an improper fraction, then in improper fraction we have to convert into mixed fraction. How? 1 3 by 8. 1 3 by 8. How to convert improper into mixed, that we know. So, we have to divide. So, we have to divide the numerator with the denominator, then after that quotient into remainder by, so divisor we have to write. Okay. Now, the 10th one, subtract the following fraction. Subtraction. So, how to subtract? Here what is given here? 11 by 23 from 22 by 23. From this we have to subtract this one, means from value we have to take first 22 by 23, 22 by 23 minus 13 by 23, 13 by 23. Then like fractions, we have to find the difference of the numerators. 22 minus 13 by common denominator we have to write. 22 minus 13 is 9, 9 by 23. This is our difference. Here also the difference, how to find the difference? First we have to convert this into improper fraction. 7 3s are 21 plus 22, 22 by 3 from. Then this also we have to convert into improper fraction. How to convert improper fraction? We have to multiply denominator with the whole number. 3 9s are 27 and add this numerator. 27 plus 1, 28, 28 by 3. From means from number we have to take first. 28 minus 3 minus 22 by 3. From this we have to minus this one. Then, so these are like fractions. When like fractions are there, then how to subtract difference of the numerators? 28 minus 22, numerator difference by common denominator, that is 28 minus 22 is how much? Is 6 by 3, 6 by 3, 6 by 3. Now, this is in simplified form. How to convert this in simplified form? Then 6 means 3 2s are and 3 1s are 3, 3 3 1 3 get cancelled. Then 2 by 1 is the answer. 2 by 1 means no need to take by 1, you take 2 as it is, means by 1, there is no by means by 1 is there, that is understood. Okay. Whenever by 1 is there, then do not take that by 1, if means any number is there, so that means by 1 is there. Whenever we need that by 1 we have to take. Okay. Okay students. Now see students, so in performance time B, comparing unlike fractions. Here till now we did like fractions, about like fractions, how to compare like fractions, how to add like fractions, how to subtract like fractions. So how to arrange like fractions in ascending order as well as in descending order. All this we did in performance time A. Now in performance time B, what we are going to do? So we are going to do about unlike fractions comparing. How to compare unlike fractions, how to add unlike fractions, how to subtract unlike fractions, how to arrange unlike fractions in ascending order as well as descending order. All this we are going to do in this performance time B. Okay. See here in the first one we have to compare these two fractions, these two unlike fractions using greater than, less than or equal to symbol, greater than, less than or equal to symbol. Okay. See here, before that, so these not improper fraction, these are mixed fractions. These mixed fractions we have to convert into improper fractions first. See here, how to convert mixed into improper. So we have to multiply denominator with the whole number first. 5 8 is 40, and that product we have to add with this numerator. 40 plus 3, 43, 43 by 5 and 8 7s are 56. This product we have to multiply with this numerator 57, 57 by 7, 57 by 7. Okay. Then how to decide which one is a bigger and which one is a lesser? By doing cross multiplication or otherwise by converting the like fractions into unlike fractions into like fractions, that is your wish. So I am using here cross multiplication method. So apply cross multiplication method or otherwise take LCM and see. So which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Any one method you can apply. So already cross multiplication method we did know. So here it is better to go for LCM. Okay. 5 and 7 LCM is 35. 5 and 7 LCM is 35. Once you check, 35 is the LCM. In 5 table, when you will get 35, 7s multiply with 7, numerator and denominator. Here also 7, when you will get 35 LCM, 5s multiply with 5. Now 43 7s 310 by 7 5s 35. Okay. 57 5s are 35, 3 with 25, 30 by 35. See here, 7 3s are 21 and 2, 7 4s are 28 and 30. 301 by 7 5s are 35. 57 5s are 5 7s are 35, 3 5 are 305. So now these two are like fractions. When like fractions are there, then how to compare? By seeing numerator, by comparing numerator. In these two numerators, this one is bigger and this one is smaller. Means 301 is less than, means 8 3 by 5 is less than 8 1 by 7. So this is, in this way we have to decide which one is smaller and which one is bigger, which one is smaller and which one is bigger. Okay. Now here, so this mixed fraction we have to convert into improper first. 3 to the 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 3, 3 to the 6 7 8, 8 by 3. So these two are already in like fractions, no need to take LCM and all. So just you have to compare numerators. This numerator is smaller, means 7 by 3 is smaller than, it means 2 1 by 3 is smaller than 2 2 by 3, okay, 2 2 by 3.